Very good morning, student. In this video lecture, I will explain the answer sheet of the exercise 11 that I have given you for the syntax of infinitive. Okay, so let us check the sentences one by one. Sentence number 1, let him to read the book. Answer is let him read the book. Okay, you have to remove to because of let. Next one, he used go on food. Now you have to add to. आपको add लगाना है. He used to go on food. Next one, he had better to go now. I have told you there are some phrases that where we are not going to add to. So here we are going to remove to. He had better go now. Next one, he need not to join the office. Answer is he need not join the office. Next one, he was determined go there. Answer will be he was determined to go there. You had better to ask permission. Answer is you had better ask permission. You did nothing but waste time. You know, when your main verb is do or did, then you are going to remove to with the but. So you answer is you did nothing but waste time. He made us to laugh. He made us laugh. Next one, he is too ill for doing any work. You know this. You have learned the sentence remove to. आपने remove to वाले sentence किए हैं. And you know very well here you are going to add TOO2. Okay, with the TOO2 you are going to add TO2. She is too ill to do any work. He is unable to easily write this book. Okay, easily write. To easily write. Infinitive, verb and adverb. Whenever you add to with your finite verb, it becomes infinitive, and between to and infinitive there will be no adverb. To और मेन वर्ब के बीच में कोई भी एडवर्ब नहीं आएगा. The correct answer is to write easily. To write easily. Okay, means at first you will place your infinitive and after that adverb. Now answer is he is able to write this book easily. He was asked explain his conduct. Right answer is he was asked to complain his conduct. Please first try to clearly understand. The same thing here. To and adverb and infinitive. Okay. So what will be the right answer? Right answer will be to means to plus infinitive and then adverb. Adverb बीच में नहीं आएगा. Right answer is please first try to understand the case clearly. I don't know how swim. Correct answer is I do not know how to swim. Next one, we would rather die than to tell a lie. Answer is we would rather die than tell a lie, not to. Okay. Next one, I heard him to say so. Right answer is I heard him say so. Next one, he dared not to come here. You have to remove to. He dared not come here. Let us to go there. Okay. Right answer is let us go there. He did everything except to inform me. In the same procedure of but we are going to remove to. He did everything except inform me. You need not to worry. Answer is you need not worry. I went for seeing my friend. There are some verbs with whom we use infinitive, not जिरन. जिरन का यूज नहीं होगा इन वर्ब के साथ में. तो राइट आंसर होगा आपका I went to see my friend. He dares not cross the flooded river. Whenever you use dare and need in positive sentences, they will be always in plural. Okay? Dare और need ऐसे मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब हैं जो सब्जेक्ट कुछ भी हो लेकिन वो प्लूरल फॉर्म में यूज किए जाते हैं. तो ही डेयर नॉट क्रॉस द फ्लडेड रिवर. नेक्स्ट, he gave me a chair to sit. Answer is he gave me a chair to sit on. Next, the fish is not fit to eating. To eating. To is an infinitive, not gerund. The fish is not fit to eat. So student, this was the answer sheet of your exercise 11. And now today we will continue our next part of non-finites, that is participle. Okay, the participle. Participle. What is participle? Main verb first form plus ing is called participle. Okay, what is participle? Just like to plus main verb first form is the formation of infinitive. In the same way, verb first form plus ing is the formation of participle. Okay. Now there are three forms of participle: present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. Okay. Present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. What is present participle? The work that is running in recently. वर्तमान में जो काम चल रहा है without time gap. That comes under the category of present participle. In Hindi, we find the sense in the end of the sentence करके या करते हुए, है ना? दौड़ करके, चल करके, देख करके, सो करके, ठीक है? वर्क विद करके एंड वर्क विद ते हुए, दौड़ते हुए, चलते हुए, सोते हुए, ठीक है? तो ये जब भाव निकलता है, ये सेंस होता है, तो वो आपका प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I saw him running. I saw him running. मैंने उसको दौड़ते हुए. Turning back. I saw my friend. I saw my friend. Turning back. पीछे मुड़ा. मतलब टर्न करने का, पीछे मुड़ने का, और जो दूसरा वर्ब है आपके देखने का. देयर इज नो टाइम गैप बिटवीन दीज टू वर्ब्स. मुड़ना और देखना एक साथ. सो दिस इज प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, पास्ट पार्टिसिपल. ओके, व्हाट इज पास्ट पार्टिसिपल? whenever third form of the main verb, founded, recovered, awarded, okay, third form of the main verb is used as an adjective, that is past participle. Main verb third form used as an adjective is called past participle. I saw wounded soldier. I saw flooded river. Okay. So here the verb used as an adjective. As you know that infinitive works as a noun and participle works as an adjective. So third form of the main verb used as an adjective is called past participle. Okay. Now last one, perfect participle. What is perfect participle? What is perfect participle? Then there is time gap between two verbs. One is completed and then other one is going to be started. Perfect means चुका चुकी, completed. There is time gap. As present participle there is no time gap. And in perfect participle there is time gap between two main verbs. Okay, just like having written the file I deposited into office. Okay, having written. This is perfect participle. Okay. And being very big. He could not move. He could not move. Okay. This is the participle made with the be form when there is no main verb in the sentence. Just like it was holiday, we went to see a picnic. We went to visit a picnic. So being holidays, we visited a picnic. We went to visit a picnic. Okay. So these are the participles, types of participle: present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. Students, now we will talk about the rules related with these participles. At first, you should keep in your mind what are the main verbs with whom you are going to use participle. Keep, smell, get, catch, imagine, find, leave, set, hear, see, start. Okay. We use present participle for these verbs, and sometimes according to need with verb and participle we place noun or noun. He kept me waiting. He kept me waiting. So kept main verb, me pronoun, and after that your participle. Next rule related with participle. Whenever your, as you know that participle works as an adjective. So when it illustrates any noun or pronoun, whenever it qualifies any noun or pronoun, it comes before its noun. वो अपने noun के पहले आता है. आप जानते हैं adjective noun pronoun के पहले place लेता है. So whenever your present participle works as an adjective, it comes before its noun. Barking dogs seldom bite. Dogs are the subject. Barking is telling quality. ठीक है. Barking कौन वाले? Barking भौंकने वाले कुत्ते, dogs है ना. Seldom bites. Okay. Now next one. When there we find the word like find, like, feel, make, get, wish, want, have. Okay. इनके बाद अगर कोई नाउन प्रोनाउन आता है तो उसके बाद पास्ट पार्टिसिपल वर्ब यूज किया जाता है ना. आई गॉट माई हाउस रिपेयर्ड. आई गॉट माई हाउस रिपेयर्ड. आई गॉट माई फाइल कंप्लीटेड. आई वॉन्ट माई डिजायर फुलफिल्ड. ओके. दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल where we are going to use our past participle form. Okay. Now whenever we use being as a participle, we are going to put nominative case before it. Now it being very weak, he could not move. यानी it आपका जो है वो being वाले फॉर्म को participle को कंप्लीट करता है. इसके बिना आपका नॉमिनेटिव केस नहीं है. नॉमिनेटिव एब्सोल्यूट वाले रूल्स के अकॉर्डिंग देखें तो इट के बिना रखे आपका ये सेंटेंस कंप्लीट नहीं होता. तो जहाँ भी आपका बीइंग से शुरुआत होगी सेंटेंस की, यू आर गोइंग टू प्लेस इट बिफोर बीइंग. ओके. नाउ योर पार्टिसिपल शुड बी रिलेटेड विद नाउन और प्रोनाउन, नॉट विद वर्ब. योर पार्टिसिपल का संबंध चूंकि एडजेक्टिव से है, एडजेक्टिव की तरह वर्क करने से है, और एडजेक्टिव का रिलेशन केवल नाउन प्रोनाउन से होता है, वर्ब एडवर्ब प्रीपोजिशन कंजंक्शन से नहीं होता. तो इन द सेम प्रोसीजर योर पार्टिसिपल शुड बी रिलेटेड विद नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन, नॉट विद वर्ब एंड एडवर्ब. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, while walking in field he saw a snake. Walking in the field he saw a snake. It's wrong. What will be the correct form? While walking in the field he saw a snake. Playing in the garden, a snake bit him. Playing in the garden, I was bitten by a snake. ठीक. तो आपका जो पार्टिसिपल है वो नाउन प्रोनाउन से रिलेट करना चाहिए, उसके वर्ब एडवर्ब से प्रीपोजिशन से रिलेट नहीं करना चाहिए. So student, this was all related with your participle form. I think it is enough for today. In my next video lecture, I will explain about the gerund, that is the last part of non-finite, and you have to do the exercise 12 on page 120 and I will explain your answer sheet in my coming video lecture. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you to one and all.